Hey everyone! Welcome back to the Silver Lining here on YouTube, or welcome if you're new here. Today is Tiny Tidy Tuesday, and I am just gonna pour myself some coffee and enjoy the playlist. I don't know about you, but I am recovering from a week-long weekend of Thanksgiving festivities, which is such a blessing. It is definitely something that I'm happy to be back to the normal routine of the week and gearing up for the holidays. So I invite you to grab your favorite cup of coffee or tea and do a little bit of tidying if you want to, or just sit and relax and enjoy the playlist. I must confess that the footage that you're watching here is actually some footage from the other day when I was decorating for Christmas. This was at the end of the evening. I started to tidy up just because I didn't want to leave my house in a complete tornado. So I thought, well, I will just finish cleaning up and then I'll use some of this footage for Tiny Tidy Tuesday because, as I suspected, today I'm actually really tired and not doing a whole lot of tidying. And that's okay. I am giving myself some grace. And I will say that even on the days when I feel like doing nothing, there are a few things that I can get done that I feel like, okay, the house is at least sort of in some semblance of order. Like, I always like to clear off the counter or have an empty sink. And the other thing, if I'm really feeling jovial, then I will swipe the toilets, and I always like it when there are vacuum lines. So any of those small tasks on days when I'm really not feeling like doing anything, if I can get something like that finished, then I do feel like I've accomplished something and the house is in decent shape. What about you? Do you have a task or a list that you feel like, okay, these are the small things that if I'm not feeling in the mood to get anything done, I can at least tackle one or two of these and feel good about myself for the day? Leave that in the comments and let me know what that is for you. This next day, I was feeling a little bit more rejuvenated. I did go ahead and run the vacuum cleaner. This is not my big vacuum. This is my rechargeable stick vacuum cleaner, and the brand is Tinco, and it has about a 45-minute run time. I love it. It's lightweight. It has attachments so that I can easily vacuum the stairs and the furniture, and it's very easy to clean. So this is not a sponsored video, but I just wanted to let you guys know in case you're looking for a Christmas gift or something. It is a really nice compact size and does get the job done. I'll actually insert some footage of what comes out of this. And this is just the carpets in my bedrooms and a couple of rugs that I have upstairs. And it's pretty amazing the amount of suction that this vacuum has. Like I said, not sponsored, but if you have been looking for a stick vacuum like this, rechargeable, cordless vacuum, which was what I had been looking for a long time, I did a lot of research and finally found this one, and it's not super duper expensive either. So I will link the Amazon link in my description if you're interested in checking it out. If you're interested in some more tidying inspiration and motivation, you can check out the playlist in the description box below. The gals on the Tiny Tidy playlist always come with a little bit of motivation here and there for whatever suits you, wherever you're at, whatever kind of inspiration you need to get something done around your home. Thank you to Sunday Dawn, who is the mastermind behind this playlist. They've been going for almost a full year, and I've been popping in here and there, and I have been really enjoying my time on the Tiny Tidy playlist. So be sure and check that out in my description box. I realized that inserting this footage of me cleaning this is really tattletaling on myself at how gross my carpets and stuff were. But hopefully this is just a good indication to you at how easy it is to clean it, and not how disgusting my house was. But with 3 girls, 1 dog, and a cat, I guess you'll have that. Vacuum lines. Listen, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Give me a thumbs up on your way out if you did. Leave me a comment if you feel like it. I'd love for you to subscribe, become part of my YouTube family here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.